Okay, so let's take a look at how you can get URL for accessing your Analytics Studio dashboard. So what you can do is log into developer edition of Salesforce Einstein Analytics, then open app launcher. Now once it opens, what we'll do is click on Analytics Studio. Okay, and then it will open in new tab. Okay, after that we will choose our dashboard. Okay, now in order to share that, we have to view our dashboard in preview mode, which looks something like this, and use the option on this navigation panel. Okay, select share, which opens a pop-up. Click on get URL. Okay, and here you get the URL which you can share with your other teammates or the people who you wish to show this dashboard, where you can open this in Analytics tab or in Analytics Studio based on the selection of this button. So you get the idea how to get URL for sharing your Einstein Analytics Studio dashboard.